guys, welcome back to my channel Mermaid Bidisha. So today I'm going to share with you all a spring lookbook featuring American Eagle outfits. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to show you all this stripes sweater that I paired with a velour skirt. Now you can pair such sweaters with pretty much everything, be it denim, be it long skirt, or lighter shade pants. It's very versatile and a must have in your collection. Then the next one is a neutral look. Now this one is a stripes cropped cardigan and I paired it with a tank top which is of neutral shade, and also the bottom wear is neutral shade. I love this look. This is very classy looking and I wore bigger earrings to make it look very elegant. Then the next one is this Fair Isle cropped cardigan. I love such cardigans and I paired a jhumka with this cardigan. It's very unique styling in my opinion. Wore striped pants and then a basic coral tank top. Lot of colors going on and very cozy cardigan it is, so it's a must have in your collection once again. Then the next one is a wardrobe staple. It's a cable knit cardigan and this one is in cream shade. I paired my mini skirt, pleated mini skirt, and to add that pop of color I wore a pink tank top. I love this combination. And the last one is my favorite look personally. I love this collared cropped cardigan, red in color, and I wore light shade pant and took that crossbody bag. I love it. And that's it. See you all in my next video. Bye.